On further investigation, first thing I check, there's a blown 20 amp fuse. What did that 20 amp fuse go to, you may ask? Let's do this. Click, click. We got some headlights and we got driving lights. Look at that. Alright. Remember that nastiness? All been drained, flushed. Fresh good old blue. We do have a squeaky hinge problem. Springs. I need to pull this cover off and vacuum all this junk out from inside the bulkhead. The cowl panel is held in with 7 clips like this. They just push down on some threaded rods sticking up. You also have a piece of leather stripping across the front here and your wiper arms. They were a bitch to get off. Sorry for the language. We'll just pull that out and see what there is to see. I forgot one other thing we have is the windshield washer line. Okay, now you can see the whole wiper assembly here. Hopefully I don't have to replace any of these bushings, because these are all pain in the butt to replace. Oh, they look good. But what doesn't look good is this. That. Take a look at all that. Really? I turned on the HVAC fan. I heard a lot of rustling around inside there. This is what I found. Oh, looks like it was gnawed through. I hope we don't have any critters. Get the vacuum cleaner out and vacuum all this out. Sorry if my big head was in the way. I really do not like that big hole there. Right now, the only thing I can do is pull this out and take a peek inside there. Maybe stick my hand in there, maybe see if I can get bit. If I get bit, something's getting the living daylight strangled out of them. I can still get this out. You see what I'm talking about here. Look at this nastiness. I'm thinking at one point in this Grand Cherokee's life it had some residents. Look at that. I don't know if we can see that clearly. Doing this for you guys. Not really. Everything seems to be in order. Let me clean out that junk right there with the vacuum. Got the back out. Might as well. Breather line off. Normally I loosen that up and take it all apart, but air cleaner or filter. Ready? Yummy! That's some good eats. Bye-bye. But before we do anything more, I'm going to shut off the vacuum cleaner. We're going to try these wipers, make sure that they work. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, they actually work. Please see, we get some juicing. Never hurts. We're back after a couple days. Towel's back on. Wiper arms are back on. They're working correctly. Got new wiper blades. All right. Under here. Got the under hood light to work. All right. New belt. Sweet. Do it this way. New idler. Sweet. You hear that? Listen, listen. No squeakies. Didn't have to replace that idler down there. That's the adjuster there. I ordered the wrong part. I actually ordered a different manufacturer of that one over there. So it's the same size. Well, this idler down here is a lot larger. Let me show you. Good example. There's a passenger side idler. This one is bolted solid. Here is the adjuster idler. This is on the driver's side. This is the one that does all the adjustment on the belt. As you can see, there is a big considerable difference in size. But where'd that one come from? You're asking yourself. Well, I kind of scavenged it from trail rig. Luckily, his stationary was the same size as that. We did discover upon closer inspection that this is actually a broken tab down here. So even though this headlight looks good, it's junk. Now, I have been looking into the one-piece units for all this, the side marker, turn signal, and headlight are all one piece for double D. I don't know if I want to go that route yet, or just get another headlight, another housing. The headlight bulb is good, Housing shot. Yeah. We're gonna toss the coin on that one, you know. Hey, heads or tails? Don't know yet. Front license plate holder had to be removed because there was all sorts of nasty junk behind it. Plus, it was cracked. So I'm going to jiggy weld it back to where it's supposed to be, and we're going to reinstall it. She has yet to decide on the front license plate. Nothing stupid, please. Please. Everything up in here is running the way it should. I may still drain and flush the coolant. Speaking of which, I got newer radiator cap. Thanks, trail rig. Back here we have removed the parking permit. We do need to address all that junk. Well, not just address it, but remove it. I can address it all I want. Hello dirt. Hello garbage. I just addressed it. We do notice there's a bit of cobwebs floating around. We did put back in a couple screws. Have new rubber stops. That should keep this hatch nice and quiet. I did remove the cargo cover. It does not retract all the way. Right now, I don't want to deal with it. But let's give you a shot from up here. Sweet. Oh, got a non-working interior light there. Check that one out. So, we're gonna call this the end of week 1. I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by, tinkering around, helping us out with our new acquisition. If you like the video, give us a big thumbs up. If you have anything to say, comments, questions, concerns, criticisms, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button. Ring that bell. Get notifications every time we post new content here at Everyday Off-Road. So, for Double D, the new acquisition, I'm Mike. We'll catch you guys later.